Vaishnavi. I've just finished my bachelor's in JNFAU and Department of Painting. Yeah, I've been to math school for my coaching for the entrance exam.
What was your parents' reaction like when you told them that you want to get into painting because it's like something different?
Fine, it was. They were like amazed about it. Firstly,
So, how did you feel when you got first rank?
even I didn't expect the rank. Suddenly, I don't know how I got it. My first priority was painting, and as like I got the first rank, so they just gave me.
Congrats again on getting it.
Thank you.
What was your parents' reaction like when they got to know that you got the
Before that, they were like tensed about the field I'm getting into because they don't know that whether I'll excel in this or not, and they don't know what are the opportunities you get in the field of art. So after getting the first rank, they were happy with the rank itself.
So, what are your plans for your future, like now that you are done with your bachelor?
I'm planning to do my masters. I don't know. I didn't yet choose the place. I'm just writing for the entrances in HCU and Chitrakala Parishad, Bangalore. Also further checking like universities in USA.
So, how much time did you spend at math school and how was the experience over there?
9 to 10 o'clock, I used to come there, and evening I used to leave by 5 or 6 sometimes 7. That I feel that was the best time I spent till now.
So, any advice that you would want to give to students who are currently preparing for BFA, like the entrance exam?
Especially first, they need to concentrate on 3 parts of the examination equally, not only drawing part or sketching part. So you have to concentrate on the general knowledge part. That's the main thing I give, I advise to the people.
So, would you recommend math school to others?
Yeah, I do. Actually, I did. Yeah, I recommend many. There were approximately 10 to 15 people to whom I've said to join the math school.
Are there any qualities that you learned at math school which are helping you now with your course, your career?
We practiced a lot in math school. Till now, I've never done such practice in my bachelor's too. One example I'll give you: the still life. I practice I need to finish if some object is put in front of me. I must finish within 30 minutes. So if it's not done, I just need to start it from the beginning, which helped me a lot in exam because everybody were worried about they put up a normal steel pot in the examination hall, but people were rendering, they were doing till the last minute. But as where I practiced it for the only 30 minutes and so finished it fastly, and everybody were amazed. Oh, how can somebody do this fast?
So yeah, Vaishnav, it was nice talking to you. All
Thank
the
you.
best for your masters.
Thank you so much.